Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, just hit the subscribe button. If you're not, hello, welcome back. This is my travel vlog to Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. We stayed at the Secret Real Hotel. Overall, it was really nice. The staff was very kind. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you the resort, some tricks on traveling, and what I did while there. When you first walk in, it's kind of like this big area. The resort has about 4 to 5 restaurants. If you're not preferred, they have a steakhouse, a Mexican restaurant, a Korean or hibachi, and a French restaurant. We were able to eat at the Mexican restaurant and the steakhouse. The steakhouse was really well, and looking back at other videos, I saw that the French restaurant had lamb chops. Maybe when I go again, I'll get some. Everything at the hotel was all-inclusive, meaning that you didn't have to pay if that was part of your package. The hotel also has a little coffee shop, so I really do recommend stopping in there if you do have time. They really have good pastries. They have a arcade room, and not arcade, it's more of like a pool tables and board games, and a clubhouse. And I did go with my mom, so we were watching Hi Mom. This was our room. Our room was really nice. Our room faced like the side of the resort, so we didn't get like a pool or ocean view, but it was still nice. The outside did have like the personal pools at the bottom and trees. Our room came with like a jacuzzi hot tub. Room service was very nice as well. They came and made our beds every day. I'm sure like all resorts do that, but I thought it was just very nice that they did that. And also, if you're going, be sure to tip everybody that helps you. $1 or $2 does go a long way in their money. This was our view. This is the view from outside. This is one of the pools. I do believe they have like 3 to 4 pools if you're not preferred. But if you are, I think you have another section to yourself. This was one of the restaurants that we ate at during lunchtime. It's on the beach. Their food was really good. For our duration, we had some of the same things. The food out there was kind of like pork chop chicken. They had tacos and hot dogs and hamburgers, so kind of basic, but it was still good. At night, you also have the option of eating at like the buffet area. The food was decent here. It really just depends on your taste. They have a lot of options. Especially at breakfast too, you can get like crepes and fruit and stuff. This is the lobby area again. They have 2 bars, one in the lobby and one in the If anybody is wondering, I got that dress from Shein. This was the beach outside of our resort. Walk down to the flea market area and they will try to up the price on you. And I would say bargain, but don't try to like bargain. Like, I wouldn't bargain super duper hard because this is like how they make their money, but definitely try to talk them down about $5. because some of the prices are a little bit too expensive. But we did get some stuff from this souvenir shop. Got like a little turtle and a clutch. This was one of the restaurants out of the souvenir shop, but we didn't get to eat here because none of the servers, I don't think they were around at the time, so we went back to our hotel. This was one of the excursions that we did. We were on a party boat, or like a happy hour boat, and it was okay for the most part.
Hey, so, I know you like lots of beautiful good, no? Okay, so I'm gonna pray now. Let me present the guys to the excursion and our decoration. But I don't need some people if they come. Listen, by the day, like 3 hour discussion, you have like 2 stops. The first one is the place.
It's not like a typical yacht. It was just like a boat, and they take you out to like the ocean area on a I think it was still Punta Cana. It wasn't like a separate island, and we got to get in the water and swim, which we'll see in a moment. Boat ride wasn't that long. It was like 20 minutes. I know from I know for other excursions it was about like a 3-hour ride to get to where you wanted to go, and honestly, like, that was too long for me. So this was pretty short and sweet. It was very nice. Other boats came out there to swim and have fun, and they do give you free drinks on the ride. A lot of alcohol at the resort was like on the cheaper side, Savaca, and like it wasn't strong alcohol like that 40%. So if you are able to bring alcohol from your own country, I would suggest it. I don't know how that works, but when you are sitting on the beach, there are a lot of like people trying to sell you stuff. We did buy something small from this one guy. He was very nice. If you're listening, hey, probably not, but this was that's something that they do. But if you're not interested in buying any souvenirs while sitting on the beach, just say no thank you, keep it pushing. But they are very aggressive.